Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ikea. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. You are definitely a real one. So I did a little bit of shopping during the Sephora Savings Event. So I want to show you all of the items that I purchased. So today's video is going to be a Sephora Savings Event haul. The sale is actually still going on and it ends November the 15th. So this is also a great video if you still need some recommendations on what to purchase during the sale. So I'm not going to ramble too long. I'm going to hurry up and get into the video. But before we get started, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, of course. Also, comment down below and let me know what you ended up purchasing during the sale. You can also subscribe to my channel and be sure to click that notification bell so you do not miss out on a single video. Okay, y'all, so I did a little bit of damage in Sephora at the actual store, and then I did some shopping online. This looks like a really tiny bag, but honestly, I did some shopping online, so I have a few more items. I honestly tried not to do too much because this year I really didn't feel like I needed a ton of stuff, and I really just didn't need to go overboard this year, but I tried to focus on items that I either wanted to repurchase or items that I really had my eye on. And of course, y'all know I had to give me some fragrance, some skincare, and beauty. So I'm gonna share what I purchased in store first, and then I will share the items that I got offline. So the first item that I have that I picked up in the store is from Summer Fridays, and this is their Lip Butter Balm Trio. I heard that they had recently repackaged their lip balm butters. I'm a fan of the older butters, but I will say the packaging is a little not my favorite. So I was really happy to find out that they repackaged them, and they also reformulated the lip butters. So I saw this trio set and I thought it would be interesting. Let me show you what it looks like. So it comes in this really pretty pink tin, which I think is great if you want to give this away as a gift or if you want to keep it for yourself. And then there are 3 different lip butters in here. So there's vanilla, which is the original one. There's also a vanilla beige, which is another one that they do currently have. And then they have brown sugar, and I believe this is a new lip butter. They don't sell this one as an individual. I believe it only comes in this trio. So I was really excited about that. I'm really the most excited to try this brown sugar. I feel like this color would be my vibe. Okay, so next I picked up these lip liners from the Sephora collection. And these are the Rouge Gel lip liners. And I like these because they're retractable. I'm a huge fan of retractable lip liners. I'm lazy. I do not like whipping out a lip sharpener. And I just like the fact that these are really, really convenient. So I ended up getting 2 of them in the shade Molasses because the only lip liner color that I ever wear is a deep brown lip liner. And this is a really pretty color. Let me show y'all what it looks like. So it's this really pretty chocolatey brown color. Honestly, I have so many brown lip liners and I really didn't need these ones, but I just figured why not? They're also a part of the Sephora collection, so I believe these were 30% off instead of the holiday savings percentage that you get off. They do have an additional 30% off on the Sephora collection. And even if they're not, I believe these were like $13 each. So with the Sephora savings, you still get a pretty good deal on these. I'm really excited to wear these because I've heard great things about them, and I heard that they do not move or slide around your lips once you apply them. That's my biggest gripe about lip liners. Sometimes they move and slide all over the place and it just makes a mess on your lips. So yeah, I'm really excited to try these ones out. Again, these are from the Sephora collection and they are the Rouge Gel lip liners. Okay, so I ended up purchasing a few items from Youth to the People. I've heard a ton of great things about this skincare brand. So the first thing that I got was their Kale green tea, spinach, vitamins, superfood cleanser. This is like the main thing I've heard about from them. I hear that this is a really great cleanser, and actually I already started using it because I was really excited to try it out. So far, I'm really loving this cleanser. It does a great job of just removing the dirt and oil off my skin, especially if I have like a heavy makeup day. It's been doing a pretty great job of removing the dirt off my face. So I really like that. And again, I've just heard a ton of great things about this brand. So I knew I wanted to check something out from Youth to the People. But yeah, this superfood cleanser is really, really good. And then also from Youth to the People, I picked up this Superberry Dream Cleansing Balm. Y'all, I'm a sucker for cleansing balms. I have a ton of cleansing balms because I believe in double cleansing, and I always love to try new cleansing balms just to see how they work out. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's a little bit smaller than most of the other cleansing balms that I own, but again, I'm still really excited to try this one out. It has prickly pear, hyaluronic acid, and it's supposed to be a flash melting formula. So yeah, I'm really, really curious to see how this works out. So another skincare item that I purchased is from Ole Henriksen, and this is their Seeing Stars Vitamin C Skincare Kit. I mentioned 2 of these products in my Sephora recommendations, and I actually needed to repurchase them. So I love this kit because it comes with a full-size Banana Brightening Vitamin C Serum. That is my favorite everyday serum in my morning routine. It also comes with this smaller travel size of their Banana Brightening Eye Cream and their Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. But yeah, I'm really happy that I got this set because these are products that I use every single day, and I'm a huge fan of Ole Henriksen products. I love the brand so much. So this was just one of those items that I really needed to just stock up on and repurchase. So I also purchased another body care item, and honestly, this is probably one of the most unnecessary things that I purchased, but I ended up getting this Hydra Reset hand mask from Fenty, and honestly, I don't really think I needed to get this, but I was very curious about this. I've heard mixed reviews about this hand mask, so I was like, you know what? Why not? It's on sale. I can save a few coins on it. Let me check it out. But yeah, I'm very curious to know how this works. If it works better than like regular hand cream or regular lotion. But yeah, this is one of those items that honestly I really didn't need, but I just kind of wanted. So again, this is the Hydra Reset Intensive Recovery Hand Mask from Fenty Beauty. Okay, so I ended up getting 2 makeup items. I didn't do a ton of makeup shopping because honestly, I've mentioned this before, I haven't really been into wearing a ton of makeup lately, but I did repurchase this powder foundation from Fenty Beauty. I absolutely love this powder foundation. I wear it every single day, and I was basically out, so I just repurchased this one. And for reference, I am in the shade 420, but y'all, this is my holy grail powder foundation. It is so good, so I definitely had to stock up on this. And every year I look forward to the limited edition gift sets that come out from Fenty. I am in love with their lip glosses, so I ended up picking up the Glossy Posse Fantasy Foursome lip gloss set, and it comes with a full size cream gloss, and then you get 3 of the gloss bombs. And I believe in these sets they always introduce new shades that haven't come out yet. That's why I always look forward to checking them out. So this one I'm really excited about. I cannot wait to try out this cream gloss right here. I'm not sure what the name of it is. It's called Candy Milk. But yeah, I'm really excited to try these out because I'm a huge fan of the Fenty glosses. I honestly like all of the lip products from Fenty, but I'm a huge fan of these cream glosses specifically. They are my absolute favorite, but the Fenty gloss bombs work great as well. All right, y'all, so that's all of the makeup and skincare items that I purchased. I also could not leave the sale without getting something from the perfume section. So I ended up actually purchasing 3 fragrances, and I'm going to share them with you all. So the first fragrance that I purchased during the sale is from the brand Floral Street, and I first heard about this brand through Jackie Aina. She had talked about this on her TikTok or even maybe one of her reels on Instagram, but this is Wild Vanilla Orchid, and y'all, this fragrance smells so beautiful. Now, I was hoping that this was gonna be like a gourmand type of fragrance, but honestly, it's not. It's a very different take on vanilla. It's actually more green to me, and it has a few more floral notes in it. Then in the dry down, you get the vanilla, but this is really beautiful. So if you like vanilla fragrances that aren't super syrupy or super sweet, I think you might enjoy this one. In here, there's vanilla flower. There's also jasmine, patchouli. There is vanilla bean in here as well. And y'all, this is such a beautiful fragrance. Again, it's a little green to me, and that vanilla kind of plays in the background, but I really do love this fragrance. It is so beautiful. So the next fragrance that I ended up purchasing during the sale is from Givenchy, and this is L'Interdit Rouge. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I have been seeing this fragrance all over YouTube. I've also been seeing this on Instagram, and I was very curious about it. So I had actually went into Sephora and Ulta a couple of times to try this out, and I fell in love with it. So when I knew the sale was coming up, I knew this is one of the fragrances that I really wanted to add to my collection. This is a really beautiful, warm, spicy floral fragrance. It opens up with blood orange and ginger, but then you also have a little bit of vanilla in here. There's patchouli in here. There's also vetiver. I am a huge fan of vetiver. I love the smokiness that vetiver gives to a fragrance. It also sometimes makes it a little sour, but in here it is blended perfectly. I really do think that this is such a beautiful fragrance. Now, I've smelled some of the other L'Interdit fragrances from Givenchy, and the Rouge one is my favorite by far. This is such a beautiful, warm, spicy scent. I can definitely see somebody wearing this one for date night. I feel like you could probably get away with wearing this during the day as well, but this is definitely about to be my date night fragrance. I cannot wait to wear this at nighttime, and I hope I get a ton of compliments on it because it seems like it'll be one of those attention grabber fragrances. This is really good. So if you like warm, spicy floral fragrances, I would definitely recommend checking this one out. Okay, so the last fragrance that I ended up purchasing during the sale is from Tom Ford, and this is Jasmine Rouge. The packaging of this fragrance is so beautiful. So this is how the packaging looks. It basically looks like all of the other bottles from the Tom Ford Private Blend, but I'm a huge fan of jasmine, and I really just wanted to get a new jasmine fragrance. So I had been eyeing Jasmine Rouge for a while now. I had a few samples of it and I really enjoyed it, but I'll be quite honest, y'all, since I've had this fragrance, which has only been like a day or two, I'm not quite sure how I feel about it now that I actually own it. It is a beautiful white floral fragrance, but to me this is kind of similar or along the lines of Rouge Malachite from Armani's Privé collection, and I love Rouge Malachite. To me, this one isn't as complex, it's not as deep, but I'm just kind of like on the fence about this fragrance. I'm not sure if I'm going to return it or what I'm going to do, but I'm going to try to play around with it a little bit more. But in Jasmine Rouge, there's jasmine, of course. There's also cardamom, patchouli. There's a little bit of sandalwood in here. And there's also vanilla as well. Again, this is a beautiful fragrance, but it's just not wowing me now that I have it. When I had the samples, I really loved it. But for some reason, now that I have it, it's just not wowing me. But I'm going to keep y'all posted on this fragrance. I'll let you know if I end up keeping it or not. But yes, this is the other fragrance that I ended up getting during the Sephora sale, and this is Jasmine Rouge. All right, y'all, so that was all of the items that I purchased during the Sephora sale. I'm pretty content with most of the items that I ended up getting this year. I tried not to go ham because sometimes I can go a little crazy in Sephora, but I really did try my best to stay within my budget, and I think I did a good job. But give this video a thumbs up if you like it, of course, and comment down below and let me know what you ended up purchasing or what's on your wish list. Again, the sale is still going on and it's running until November the 15th, so I will be sure to link and have all of the details of the sale down below. I will link all of the items that I mentioned in this video as well. Also, don't forget to check me out on social media. You can check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and on TikTok, and I will have all of that information in the description box. I thank y'all so much for watching this video. I hope you have a great one and stay safe. Bye!